Why I think that Lamborghini Urus buyers or owners are losers. I suppose many of you know that the Urus is based on the Audi RSQ8 model. They're pretty much identical in terms of chassis, build quality. I haven't driven an Urus, but I have got inside to see the build quality, the materials, and it felt kinda meh. I mean, it's just Audi stuff or a regular premium vehicle. It's not worth over 300,000 euros. It's around 350, if I'm not mistaken. It's over 200,000 pounds in the UK, and to be honest, I don't know how much it is in the United States or in other countries. It might be cheaper in countries like the Emirates, where there are more buyers and they may get a smaller price. So you have the SQ8 or the SQ7 with a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 507 horsepower at around 50 to 60,000 euros, maybe 70,000 euros pre-owned. Then you have the RSQ8, which is around 170, 180, maybe with some extras around 200,000 euros. Pre-owned is around 100, 110 in very good condition. The Lamborghini Urus is over 300,000 euros brand new. Pre-owned 200 and something, so it's almost 3 times more expensive than an SQ8 with the same engine. I agree that the Urus has different colors, different design, different wheels, different brakes, different suspension, different exhaust, and you also may get a different engine map. Even if you have the same engine, the same power, the same torque, I'm pretty confident that you have totally different engine maps, and the driving experience will be slightly different. But it's not worth to pay almost double compared to the RSQ8, and almost triple when it comes to the SQ8, and almost 6 times if you compare a used SQ8 with a brand new Urus. In performance numbers, they're pretty close. I don't know who will push a 4-liter V8 to its limits, especially in Europe and even in the Arab world, because you have lots of speed cameras. I don't know why would you pay over 350,000 euros, over 300,000 euros for a Lamborghini Urus, because it's not really a Lamborghini. The Lamborghini Urus wasn't designed for enthusiasts, car enthusiasts. It was designed for lavish, luxury guys who want to impress chicks, who want to seem like they're rich. Maybe they are rich and they want a Lamborghini and they're not so passionate about cars and they just want a practical Lamborghini. I can tell you that a Lamborghini Urus is far more practical than a Huracan, Gallardo, Murcielago, Aventador, Revuelto. Yeah, it's the most practical Lamborghini that you can buy. In fact, if I'm not mistaken, the Lamborghini Urus is sold out for a number of months because there's high demand. People are loving it. And, you know, if you are ultra rich, you can opt for the Mansory package, which basically doubles the price of your car, and you have a super limited edition vehicle, obviously to impress people. And you know, we don't talk here about impressing people, we talk about technical stuff. And technically, the Lamborghini Urus is 95% the same thing as the Audi RSQ8, and the RSQ8 is 90% what the SQ8 is. So if you want the performance, if you want the car for a low amount of money, you can go for a pre-owned RSQ8 or a pre-owned SQ8 or a pre-owned SQ7. I personally prefer the SQ7 compared to the SQ8, And in case you didn't know, if you want a V8 diesel, you can get that on the Bentayga, Porsche Cayenne, Audi SQ7 or Audi SQ8, and even on the Volkswagen Touareg. Almost 1,000 Newton meters of torque and over 430 horsepower. It's a nice engine, but you cannot purchase it brand new anymore. So if you want it, you have to go find one pre-owned. I didn't mean to offend anyone, but who pays full price for a Lamborghini Urus is ultra rich and he doesn't care, or he has no idea what he's buying. If you want the best bang for your buck, stick with the RSQ8 or with the SQ8. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.